British tourists heading to Jamaica have been urged to exercise caution, increased caution following a new UK government travel advisory. The warning cites a rise in sexual assaults reported in tourist areas such as resorts, beaches, bars, and excursions. Some incidents involved perpetrators initially meeting victims socially before attacks in isolated areas. Travelers are advised to stay vigilant in social settings and avoid secluded areas, especially after dark. The advisory also highlights ongoing Hurricane Melissa recovery issues in western Jamaica, including damaged infrastructure. Access to health care and utilities remains disrupted in some affected communities. Officials warn of increased mosquito-borne illness risks due to standing water after storms. Despite the alert, Jamaica remains the top Caribbean destination for UK tourists, with high visitor numbers continuing into 2026. The alert also comes days after the death of a woman from New York in Jamaica. The husband of the woman is being sought in relation to her death.